tried fixing it, so we put like sugar on it and then kind of like rub it back in because the sugar helps it, I guess. Yeah.
The vet has to put stuff, put stitches in the butthole.
Yeah, they have to come over and fix this.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, you have to take sugar, you
I
have to
saw it.
massage
It
the
was
butt,
it was
and then you gotta
gross.
start.
I think she did it wrong. That's why the vet has to come.
No, I'm being like so dead serious.
I'm being so dead serious that this actually happens to old humans, like really old
Yeah,
people.
we want to hear all.
Their body gets old, and then they also have to have surgery to fix that. That's a real thing.
Yeah, and when they were fixing the rectum and like pushing it back in, the cow kept on pooping, so it kept on coming back.
Yeah, I kept pooping in her hand.
So for that reason, I think a human would be like sedated, so their body would be kind of like limp when they were having that surgery. So they should put that cow to sleep if it's like a really big deal, and then they can have the surgery and the cow will be.
Well,
And then it could heal.
I don't think we're actually going to be able to have that cow, so it might just get put to sleep.
Okay, full circle. Okay, circle of life now. All right. Oh, is this the answer? 3? This looks like a 2. 96 over. This does look like 3.
I got 3.
I'm with you, Karina. It's positive 3. This is 96 over 32. A negative over a negative is a positive. So we get x equals 3. So this one's axis of symmetry, if I was to graph it on here, would be here at x equals 3. So now we have to plug that in to find height. 4 people losing points because you're not participating. You shouldn't be typing in a Chromebook, and you all 3 shouldn't be looking at phones.
I need this done, miss. I need this done literally by today. No, I'm just replying to something on school, and I need it by like today. For my 4th period.
Okay, but I'm not tripping. I'm trying to catch up on these grades, so.
But I need this. My grade bad.
And I'm doing the work at the same time, so it shouldn't be a problem.
What's the answer?
Get it? I can tell you.
Right. Let me get that. I started doing it, but I was not sure because it didn't have an A.
Miss, I need this done. I can't stay after school like that. I can't in your class. I need this done ASAP.
So now I'm going to take the 3 and I'm going to plug it in. I put x equals 3, but technically, should I have put t equals 3? This one was in the air for a full 3 seconds. That's a long time for something to be in the air. It's like 1, 2, 3. Think about a water balloon. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to write f of 3 equals negative 16. 3 squared plus 96 times 3 plus 20. I'm going to get out my handy calculator.
So Miss, you took my points away because I'm trying to do good at school.
Yeah, she does that.
You
She
love
doesn't
to
care.
talk about that.
You don't care, right?
Miss, can I get me some water? I mean, not water, but can I use the bathroom?
Can you do a math problem in math class?
That wasn't that funny, but yeah, Becca, you gotta grow 2 inches before you can talk.
I got 90.
You should also
Oh, I
understand.
don't know.
Let's see.
I did plus 3 instead of times 3. 288. Thanks, Gavin.
So I really got points taken. Miss, I'm gonna do all the work though.
Oh, so lazy.
Negative 96 times 3. Yeah, it is.
He said, okay, let's not do
Plus
that.
288 plus 20. Can I get a 164?
Yeah, she got 164. No, it's not.
All right, look at my function notation, the fancy way I'm writing this. This means I plugged in 3 and I got out 164. So my vertex is 164. Man, this water balloon went way higher.
Miss, I'm watching a video.
Miss, how do you get my points
What
back?
made
Because I
you
literally
think
just.
that? Why do you think it went higher? There you go. Just in time.
Miss, how can I get my points back? Because I literally was just trying to do good in school. And I got my points
We're
taken
not
away.
getting our points back for trying to do missing work. She's not going to give it to us.
No, I'm gonna make my points back. Miss, what you want me to do? Write you an essay? Well, I'm not writing no essay. I'll write you a paragraph. I need my points. I was just trying to do good in school. Like,
To be honest with you, this 1 point's not gonna make a big difference. So it's not.
yes, it is. Miss, I care about my
All
one
right.
point.
She's not giving it back.
That's it for power. Let's take a look at when we in class with yesterday, just a discussion, right? All right, let's take a look at an extra credit opportunity over spring break. It's real simple. It's 5 points towards fourth quarter.
Can we make it towards third?
No, third quarter's over, like right now. You need to. I started a discussion in Schoology. You need to upload a picture of a parabola. No repeats. So if somebody takes, there's a parabola here on campus, and they find it and they upload the picture, nobody else gets to upload the same parabola.
Wait, we can upload a bridge, right? I'm taking the bridge.
You gotta take the picture yourself. You can't get it from
Can
Google.
it be like a screenshot?
Oh, yeah, I got a picture too.
It's gotta be a picture of something you see in LA. So I have a short video to show you of some examples of parabolas in real life. This, I believe, was a
picture of that paper. I'm looking everywhere in the classroom, like for real. You're not gonna draw the much larger to take a picture of the nose. Miss, what if I take a picture of that paper over here?
No, that won't count. It's supposed to be something out in the real world. Alright, I got some notes for you. Chapter 8.4. If only I could find my little pen. First I can't. So everybody understands the extra credit.
I know.
You guys got so we're starting chapter 8.4, which is called vertex form. I have to tell you, this is easier to graph than standard form. Yeah, write this down. So I'll show you them side by side. Here's standard form.
Let's shoot whoever that was.
And then here's vertex form. I should just go ahead right now and tell you factored form. You already know factored form. Right, so last chapter y'all were doing factored form. Factored form is best for finding x-intercepts. Vertex form.
Is that a P and a Q?
Yeah, it's a P and a Q. Vertex form is easier because if a quadratic is shown in vertex form, the actual numbers of the vertex show up here in the H and the K spot. So you don't need to use the formula negative b over 2a. All right, so here's the concept. Standard form, you have to do negative b over 2a to find the middle. It's a lot of work, and the negatives make it difficult. Vertex form is great for graphing. These two will tell you the center of your parabola, the vertex. Factored form took us some work to figure out how to put it in factored form. But factored form is nice because it tells you the zeros. You can solve it, set them equal to 0 and solve it easy. So each one of these forms is useful in a different way. I have a handout for you today for your vertex form. This is all we have to do. This little handout.
You know what I'm talking about, Miss? I said, I hope they make the bell ring at 2:20 like they always do for grade 4. Yeah, they did it for Thanksgiving and for Christmas.
They did?
Yes.
I'm freaked out. I hope it doesn't go early.
I swear to God, I don't know.
I hope it does.
They
No,
did.
they
We got out
definitely
early.
did.
I got gold. You got gold? No.
You guys, this worksheet is special for spring break. It's a little more fun.
Can I color it?
You can just fold it. You may also color it if you want.
You gotta pass it back.
Sorry. Do you guys know how to fold a foldable correctly where you can see the heading and the bars in? Yeah, fold it to the dotted line.
Oh, since we're nice, since we want to do it, keep it.
Yeah.
With like an M and like someone's name.
Big A.
Oh, like you know like necklaces. How like you have necklaces with aliens and that.
If it's symmetrical, the main thing about parabolas is that they're symmetrical. So if it's like a pretty font and it's not symmetrical, no, it's gotta be a real fold over font.
Could ask him. You know how to post it.
Alright, I'll go back. Sorry. Everybody got this written down? Today, yeah, and the rest of it's gonna be on this handout. Who just came up here? Alright guys, so this top box tells you all about A. A. If A is greater than 1, it's a skinny graph. Did you fold? I'm at the front of the fold. I don't know, mine might be. If A is greater than 1, it's a skinny graph. And that's called a stretch. A is less than 1, it's wide.
Was it supposed to go this way? No. So I did put it right?
Yeah, you're good. If A is negative, then it's reflected, meaning it opens down.
Yeah.
Alright, so then in the box below that, we'll identify what H does. H will move a graph left or right, opposite of how it looks. K will move your parabola up and down. And it's really important that you understand the vertex is the center of the parabola, the most important point, and the coordinates are h comma k. Coordinates are typically x, y, but we call those hk because they're like the most special point in the parabola. You want me to zoom out? This is where we are. you guys did late? Is that in there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that gonna bring me up to like a C? If I had 66 in it? I had something else.
Alright, so now we're gonna do this example right here. Does everybody know where we're at? Now we're gonna graph this one right here on the front still.
It's like a watermelon, like the half.
Alright, so our vertex on this one is 1, -3. So from the parent function, we're gonna move right 1, down 3. So I'm going to draw the parent function on here in black. It's 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. And I have that memorized because I've just drawn this thing a million times. So I don't know how familiar it is to you. I can't gauge that. How familiar does this look? It's 0, 0, and then you know it's over 1, up 1. Then the very next point is over 2, up 4. And the one after that would be over 3, up 9. And then 4, 16. So if you just memorize these 3, you'll be able to kind of create it wherever. So the first point from the middle is over 1, up 1. And of course, that's symmetrical. And the second one is over 2, up 4. So by memorizing that, I can just move it now. I got to go, every point is going to go right 1 and down 3. Or I can just start at my vertex. So over 1, down 3, right here. And I copy that same shape. I believe in geometry, we'll call it congruent. Have you guys heard the word congruent? Yeah. So the new parabola is congruent. It's just moved over. So we didn't even make a table. We just memorized the shape and we created it. You just want me to put the parent function up here. This red one? The black one I just put up there. It's this one, the parent function. And I said, I have this memorized. And I don't know, when and where you'll have it memorized. Like all of my Algebra 2 students can probably recreate this right now from memory. So it might not be till Algebra 2 that you make this from memory. Or maybe you'll figure it out today and make it from memory. I don't know. 0, 0, over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4.
Wait, is that on the paper?
This is on the graph paper that you did. This parent function. It's number 1 on the graph paper in the 4 quadrants. This is the most basic one, and every time we say left, right, up, down, we're saying from this middle position. So this is the starting one, and we move it around. Everybody's okay with that? Ready to move on? Let's go inside. This is our goal. I don't know. We'll see. So this one on the inside, guys, already has the center one for you. That's why I really like this, actually. The center one's already there. So all we have to do is identify the changes. Now, on the bottom two, those are going to be way more difficult than the first one. You guys, I'm going to wait a minute. You guys find the vertex. You guys try to do these before me. Try to figure out HK and try to identify how it's going to move. okay if you make a mistake. I'll correct you. So Laura and Aubrey.
I see Laura after school.
She's out with the cow. So we don't know. The baby sisters that come in, man. They really did. I said, there's 30 people out there in that 7K. That's she said, no.
Oh yeah, we still let certain people.
What I said?
Yeah, there's some bad cookie not too sure.
So just so you know. Oh, she was a little bit. Anybody feel confident they got the vertex right? Nobody feel good about it? There's only two numbers.
Is it two
Right?
negative four?
Woo! If you're up -2, no big deal. It's just that the minus sign's already there. So it's actually a +2 that's been put next to the minus sign, you know? The minus sign's already there, positive. Sharika, you got it right? What'd you write?
Do you really want to know? 0, 0.
That's the vertex of this one.
Oh, wait, what?
This is the parent function, the middle one. This is the one I'm asking for vertex.
Oh, okay, now I know.
Vertex is this number and this number. So what'd you say, Gavin? Yeah. Right 2, down 4. So boom, 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 I can draw this in a hurry. I'm gonna let you guys have some time. I wasn't so fast when I was first doing it like you, so I try to keep that in mind. Slow down.
Miss, what's the stay after school for this too? Y'all really? I need to do my
Every time I do that, something like that. It's like, Ryan, something so fast.
Make sure we can go start then.
I just claim to be telepathic. It's pretty good. Sorry I shut the door right before you came. Did you notice?
Did I notice?
That the door shut like a second before you came.
Yeah.
Weird, right? Over 1 up line.
That's all we do?
Over 2 up 4.
Oh, snap, this y'all mad.
You guys, do you think we should put the dash line in? Would that make it easier?
Yeah.
It might, because it's like over 1 up 1, over 2 up 4.
So that's not what's going on.
What were you doing wrong? I'd love to hear it.
That's not funny, not too much. Cause I'm the type of person who learn. Nice class.
What you got?
85 B.
Like 67 B.
Anyway, you should have been contacted.
Oh, that's too much work. I got next quarter though. Y'all don't have Ian's class.
Here, you have till midnight tonight to do Khan Academy. You have till midnight tonight.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Heck yeah.
I bring it up to like. All right.
We have a lot.
Here, what grade you guys
How much you bring it up to? Like a, if I have a 60, can I bring it up to like an A?
No.
Like a B?
The concept, you just stop around 70. It doesn't matter how much Khan Academy you do, you can't get much above 70.
So it's gonna bring you up by like
till
it's
70?
gonna
So
bring
the
you up.
idea is you get a 70 third quarter no matter what. You get a 70 fourth quarter You end up with a Z. So you're credit for the course.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, guys. So there's a pretty big difference between this one and the other two we did, and that's this A in front. Okay. This makes a skinnier graph. The technical word isn't skinny; it's a stretch. So instead of over one up one, it's gonna be over one up two. It's gonna be like twice as tall. So that's gonna make drawing it a little more complicated. You guys, what's in the K spot? 0. You all want to know the plus 0?
Yes.
There's a 0 in the K spot. So my vertex this time is 2, 0. So this is it's a stretch, got a factor of 2,
So
and it's also right 2.
So is it down 0?
Yes, and up and down 0. Well said. All right, so here I go to put my dot in. Here's the center. And from there, I can't go over one up when it's skinnier. I have to go over one up 2. Maybe I want to put my symmetry in. And instead of over 2 up 4, I got to go over 2 up 8. So here.
Oh my Jesus.
No, honestly. We're just trying to grab fallacy. It's too much.
Okay.
I'm trying to let Gary buy it.
No,
That's
it's
my
fine.
business.
I'd like to mind my business and I can't.
Oh, you don't got no choice. Don't even do that.
Skinny and right too. Can you guys tell it's a stretch?
So it's just up one, over one, up one, over one.
No, not really.
Just look at how you graphed it. You went right to up one, over one. Up
Miss,
one.
ask her who she yelling at like that.
I went right to.
Right.
And then what?
Up one, up two.
There. Yeah, I'll agree with that. It's 1, 2, not 1, 1. We could have made a whole table, which we're gonna do here with this half. Alright. Let's do this one. Let's call this
He's
the
not trying to
last.
go.
Let's call this the last one for class.
Miss, you check homework?
So for your homework, I did not check it.
She don't care.
What is y'all looking at?
She don't care for the Oh, you care.
I didn't check it.
Why would you say something like that? That's your problem now. I thought you were
Get the
This is the one I would love for you to try this one.
Y'all not pressure. Y'all do y'all
Oh,
homework.
if we tell the
Should we do
truth.
a little that?
And if we telling the truth, you should mind your business.
No,
Because
miss,
you
let's
say
just
you
do
did
that.
You don't
Just
care.
this one for your homework, okay? Just one.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll do these two for Ballard on our first day back, okay? So we numbered it to be like 1, 2, 3. You gotta do 4. Well, but we gotta finish 3 right now.
I'm good with
Well, what if we do 3 and 4 for homework?
Because
Right,
what's
so
the
this better
vertex?
be right about this.
Don't you pack up. I'm not
Miss,
done.
we're not doing it on the
All right,
wrong
miss,
side.
it's 0 to 4.
On the
We're
wrong
gonna have the
side.
announcement.
Miss,
Negative
Yes.
4.
Miss, we're not doing it on the wrong side.
Was I?
Oh,
no, that's right.
that's the right
Okay,
side.
I'll send it. Sure.
Alright, this one with the 1/2 is gonna be wider. Oftentimes it's called a compression.
Bro, y'all stressing this ball when y'all
Yell at each other, come back, or just serious, Okay.
All right, wider by 1/2 means it's half as tall.
Just on the top.
And then this one is down 4. And this one is down 4.
Bro, shut that shit off. My bad, bitch. My bad. But she in my ear laughing and screaming.
Alright, because this one is wider, I'm actually going to rely on a table this time.
Wait, Miss, where we gonna put the table at?
I don't know, where do you want to put it?
Can we put it?
To the
right
left,
here?
to the right, to the right, to you. I just read that text message.
Let's put this up. Let's put it up. You guys plug in -2 and see if you can get it right. You guys plug in -1 and see if you can get it right. You guys plug in +1 and you guys all plug in +2. Let's put it up.
What's 1 pound plus 4?
Called on just like that.
Yeah. Was I? Thank you guys because I was striking.
I could investigate. What's the number?
Oh my lord.
Well, oh, got the name. I found it.
This is literally
So
stressing
I
me
see
out.
it says 4 like 4 of the 2 pink hearts.
Check your number. How'd you do?
I did amazing.
That gotta be the reason.
Alright, 0, -4. -2, -2. 3.5. Does it look wider?
It's my phone. And it's not
I mean, it's subtle, but it does look wider.
This is the moment I've been waiting for. It's gonna go by so fast though.
Right. I'm gonna do parkour as soon as I get outside.